there is no community in the world where at least one person could not benefit from safe access to medical cannabis. This November, over 20 million people will have the opportunity to vote on some kind of cannabis law across the country. The war on drugs is a war on people, and it's prevented our people, our mothers, children, and grandparents, from having safe access to the life-saving medicine that they desperately need. This war on drugs has a complicated and frustrating past, but at Hempsley, we are focused on the future and helping make this medicine accessible for the patients who need it most. I believe that begins with educating people on how and why cannabis works the way it does. This fall, Hempsley is partnering with top cannabis brands across the country for the Heart of Health Exchange, a nationally accessible educational event designed to introduce you to the basic science of an incredibly important system in your body, your endocannabinoid system, and how you can care for it with natural and nationally accessible wellness tools, such as hemp and CBD, essential oils, herbs, and more. I created Hempsley out of a desperate craving to be able to talk to my most conservative friends and family about cannabis medicine. When you live in a prohibition community, it can be really risky to openly support medical marijuana. So I wanted to create a new resource that people could share without fear of being incriminated or somehow labeled a stoner. At Hempsley, we don't talk about getting high. We talk about how to use cannabis as just another natural wellness tool, alongside essential oils, nutrition, stress reduction techniques, and more, all to support your endocannabinoid system. At Hempsley, we believe that the endocannabinoid system is the heart of health because it's the system that's responsible for keeping all of your other systems in balance as you encounter stress throughout your day. This fall, we're on a mission to teach the nation about what their endocannabinoid system is, what it does, and how you can care for it with nationally accessible and non-intoxicating products so that people can begin taking better care of themselves. We're going to host a free e-course on the Hempsley Health Instagram stories October 8th through 12th that introduces your endocannabinoid system and how you can care for it with and without cannabis. We'll walk you through our ever-growing collection of nationally accessible wellness tools while demonstrating how to use them and giving you recipes and resources for more information, and doing some incredible giveaways from our partners along the way. That information will then be broken into short, graphic narratives available in our app so that you can pull the information up anytime and use it as a reference or visual when talking to the people in your life about cannabis. And we'll even give you some tips on how to approach even your most conservative and skeptical friends and family about this topic. Then on October 13th, we're going to end this week of online wellness education with an event at our favorite local brewery, Logboat, that embeds all of this information into an educational experience, starting with CBD-enhanced yoga, an infused farm-to-table breakfast, and ending with workshops where guests can apply their new knowledge with hands-on DIY activities in a safe and supportive environment, all to showcase how these products can be incorporated into a healthy, responsible Midwestern lifestyle and inspire people to get out there and confidently share or exchange knowledge about the things that they've learned. I fully believe that people who are against the medical legalization of cannabis simply don't understand it. They've been taught to fear it, and that fear is very real. But that's why we need to educate ourselves and begin talking to the people in our lives about this plant and what it can do for us. If you're interested in tools to help you make a difference, follow Hempsley Health on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Share this video and download our app. Let's get this information out there.